Well, it's kind of windy outside, but let's go ahead and transfer these to the deep box and see what we got. They're not going to be happy, I don't think. Hopefully we don't have too much wacky comb. Yep, it's wacky. Glued it to the side. I gotta go get me some foundations. Well, there goes my camera. Sorry for the wind, but I had to get this done. This turned out not to be such a good video, but I figured I would post it anyway as an example of beekeeping does not always go as planned.
Well, that's one.
Now what bees were left in the box, I'll pour on the ground in front of the hive. They'll find their way home.
Okay, let's see what we got in this. That other one was really small. I'm about done with swarms. I'm running out of equipment. Alrighty. There's a few more bees in here. Maybe. Something's going on. Bunch of dead bees in here. I think they got robbed. There's a little brood in here. I see the queen. She's in here. About 100 small hive beetles. Small swarms. I'm gonna have to get some sugar water on these girls quick. I don't know if they'll make it or not. Well, hopefully I'm done with swarms for the year. I'm running out of equipment. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Next time.
Hey guys, how you doing? Just an update on those 2 swarms I transferred to the box. The second one, it wasn't robbed out. It was infested with small hive beetles. And I went back in the next day and was going to try to save them, but they already decided to leave. So I took what frames they built, or what was left of them, and put them in the freezer. And yesterday I put a couple of them back in a swarm track and put them back on a tree. So we'll see what happens.